explore what you see. It's the Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation Park of the Week.
This week, we'll be discussing Swan Lake Nature Study Area, located in Lemon Valley off Lear Boulevard. This Washoe County park is a birder's paradise with many types of waterfowl, small songbirds, and raptors. If you come during the winter months, you might be able to spot the migrating tundra swan. There is a marsh, a boardwalk, and a 1.5-mile interpretive trail as well. To find out more about Swan Lake or other local parks in your area, please visit our website at tmparksfoundation.org. Thank you for listening.
Take a look around, explore what you see. It's the Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation Park of the Week.